Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Find X2 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store application. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, we must choose our settings option and their family where we have parental controls. Now we have PG3 to visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included, underrated, config coded, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!